Hello, welcome to Oak Business Consultant. Today we are up with another financial model video, which is the Music School Excel financial model. This financial model will contain a total of 9 sheets, and this financial model will contain the peach cells, which are the input cells and can be changed by the user at any time. This financial model will also contain the gray cells, which are the formula result cells, and also the light gray font cells, which are the helping cells. So moving on to the input sheet. In the input sheet, we have different kinds of assumptions, such as the company starting date and the operation date assumptions, the funding assumptions, which includes the equity financing and the debt financing assumptions, the revenue and cost assumptions, the user and marketing budget assumptions, the capital expenditure and the operating expenditure assumptions, the employee payroll assumptions, and the working capital assumptions. Moving on to the revenue analysis, here we calculate the total number of customers. Then we calculate this segmentation where we divide a total number of customers in our different revenue streams. Then we have the total amount of revenue calculated, the total cost of service calculated. Then we have the marketing budget, which shows us that how much of our money are we spending on leads from different sources such as the Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, and YouTube marketing. Moving on, we have the startup summary, which shows us the summary regarding our funding, our expenses, the fund utilizations, and the assets and liabilities calculations. Moving on, we have financial statements. The financial statement shows us the income statement, which shows us the total amount of net income of our business. The cash flow statement shows us the cash flow from operations, from investing activities, and from financing activities. It also shows us the net cash flow from financing activities and the net cash balance. Moving on, we have the balance sheet. The balance sheet shows us the total amount of assets of our business, the total amount of liabilities, and the total amount of equity of our business. Moving on, we have financial analysis, where we have the break-even analysis of a business, the company valuation, the sensitivity analysis, and the KPIs and ratios. Next up, we have the CSE and the CLV analysis. Moving on, we have the working capital calculations in our working sheet. Here in working sheet, we calculate the payroll calculations, the operating expenses, the depreciation schedule, the asset calculations, the loan schedule, and the working capital calculations. Next up, we have the dashboard. In the dashboard, we have some graphs related to our business calculations. Also, we have some amount of KPIs such as the gross profit margin, the net profit margin, the revenue growth, the net present value, the internal rate of return, and the expected equity percentage to the investor. So this was all from today Music School Excel financial model. Hope you have liked this video. This financial model is available on our website, which is www.oakbusinessconsultant.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Will be shortly available with another financial model video. Thank you.